5 things you can do to prepare your website for AI. AI is already influencing how people discover businesses. The question isn't whether this will affect your website, it's whether your website is prepared. Here are 5 things you can do now to make sure it is. First, clarify what your business actually does. AI systems don't infer well. Your services, locations, and audience must be stated clearly. If your website is vague, AI will be too. Second, align your content with real questions. People don't search the same way anymore. They ask. Your website should answer the questions customers ask before they contact you. Third, strengthen trust signals. AI evaluates credibility. That includes reviews, consistency, and clear proof of experience. Trust is no longer implied. It's interpreted. Fourth, fix structure and clarity. Well-organized pages matter. Clear headings, logical sections, readable content. AI understands structure before style. Fifth, stop treating your website as static. Search behavior changes. AI adapts. Your website must evolve with it through updates, refinement, and performance tracking. Preparing for AI does not replace SEO, it builds on it. At Elite SEO Consulting, we help local businesses align traditional SEO foundations with how AI now interprets credibility.